Hey, what's up everybody? So we have this big plan for this truck right here. What we're gonna go ahead and do is take out the two-wheel drive that we have on this D250 of mine and go ahead and put a second gen Dana 60. I think it has 3.73 gear ratios, and here it is. Just waiting on Tim so he can get it down and he can start doing whatever he has to do to it so we can have it mounted properly in my truck. So the plan here is to do a 4-link suspension on the truck. I am not gonna have a drive shaft for the 4x4, so that'll be something we'll do later on. But for right now, we're just gonna have it mounted up so that way I can take off the body lift and take off this two-wheel drive axle, whatever you want to call it. And that way we can just drop the other thing and it will match up with my rear end, because my rear end's from a I believe it's a 96 second gen Dana 70. So yeah, that's the plan. And like I said, we're just gonna wait for Tim to get here. Another thing is that for this video, I'm gonna be doing small sections. I'm not gonna be here all the time while he's working on it, so just so you guys know, it's going to be kind of the same way of whenever he installed my transmission. Well, when Larry installed my transmission, because I have to work and I can't be here all the damn time. So that's what we'll see, but I will be going over everything that he does.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I came here to get a haircut, and as most of you guys already know, I ended up getting my lift kit this Friday. So go ahead and check that out. And yeah, and I'm not really gonna go too much about it because I have to study because I have an upcoming test. So let's go check that out. It's pretty cool.
Hey boys, look at that. Look at that. Damn. I put this all on my truck because it looks like we're gonna have a little bit of rain today. Well, there's gonna be a few modifications from what I can read right here. But yeah, guys, this is it right here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I gotta wait for Tim to come back. He's out having some fun. But yeah, guys, as soon as we get this stuff in, like I said, I'm gonna try to make a few videos here and there as he starts installing. I kind of want to be there when he cuts this whole front end off the truck. So it's gonna be so cool. Like all of this, all that, gone. It's gonna be all gone. No more two-wheel drive. Well, it's still gonna be a two-wheel drive, but at least I can lift it up like the boys in the Carolines. But yeah, and then I guess eventually we do the lift in the back and the rear, but we're gonna bag that in the back. So, but this is a quick update, guys. We're doing a lift up front, maybe in the rear, who knows what it looks like right here. So obviously these are gonna be where my coilover is gonna sit, and these as well, and the rest of these parts are for the 4-link. They're gonna connect to the front axle. Same here, this other stuff, and I guess have all the joints inside there. So that's what it looks like, guys. Hey, what's up everybody? So you guys got to see a few small clips of whenever I went to go take over my the front Dana, and whenever I got the far from stock front coilover kit, suspension lift kit. And now today what we're doing is grabbing all our stuff from our garage, and we're gonna go ahead and take it to over to Timmy and just drop off the truck there so you can start working on it. So let's go ahead and get our stuff now. So let's go check that out too. All right, so here we have the whole suspension lift kit for the front. The coilover stuff, I still need to get my coilovers. We're probably gonna go with Rackflow. We'll put the front bumper and the rear bumper inside the truck. So let's put this in the truck and then we can go ahead and head on to Timmy's house.
Got a bunch of mess inside the truck. But let's get out of here now, man.
Alright guys, so we can't drop off the truck here with Timmy. And he's gonna, I guess, start working on it. I don't know if today or when he's gonna start, but this will be later eventually. But first, you know what? Maybe we might not even do that. We're just gonna leave the truck squatted, man. Squatted nation. But yeah, we're doing the coilovers up here. We have the parts in the back of the truck. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Been waiting a while for it. But yeah, she gonna look mean. She gonna look hard. I'm gonna try to do a replica of that 4th gen Cummins. You guys been seeing that's bagged. I said mine won't be bagged. It's just gonna look squatted. It can only drive one direction. But yeah, man, we got the axle over here, I believe. Let's see where it's at. It's right there. There's the axle. We're doing a drive shaft delete, the front shaft. You know, we don't need that. We live in Florida. She's a pavement princess. Forget about it. And yeah, we're gonna actually be getting rid of these as well. We don't need these anymore. I got the how you call it, the body bushing mount. So yes sir. All right, man, let's get out of here. All right guys, so there we have it. I just got back. Timmy just came and left me at my house. He's gonna be working on it, not like, you know, he's gonna start working on it, but whenever he's working on it, he'll call me up and I'll be taking like little small videos, small clips on what he's doing, because right now he's gonna have to cut off all the frames. So I'll be going out there probably whenever he's cutting it or after he's cutting it. It's the same deal like whenever I used to go out with Larry and Larry used to work on my trucks. Similar same stuff. And like I said, it's gonna probably take a while, probably I'm guessing like a month before we have the truck ready. And plus, because I need to see what kind of coilovers I'm gonna get, or I don't know if I might just go ahead and get the ones from Far From Stock, the Rackflow, like they're using on that 1st gen. So yeah, and that's gonna complete the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this whole lifting part. It's a new thing to the channel. I know I haven't been doing like new stuff or anything cool, and it sucks because in the beginning I should have been starting like recording most of the stuff that I did to the truck. But sometimes, you know, we all work, but at least I can bring you guys along now. So I catch you guys on for the next video. Peace.